Gemba. So, what is Gemba? Gemba is a Japanese word. Gemba means the real place. It means the actual place where the problem was found or an incident has happened. As per Gemba theory, we must have to go at the Gemba for investigation of any problem or incident. So problem solvers or cross-function teams' presence is necessary at Gemba. The actual place may be referred. In manufacturing, it is a shop floor or it can be a construction site, assembly line, any lab, office, etc. Basic principles of Gemba walk are mentioned below. Have a specific purpose of Gemba walk. Be familiar with the area that you are visiting. Understand the overall process. Correctly understand what you are seeing. Know what to ask. Benefits of Gemba. By Gemba walk, we can get easily knowledge of the plant's productivity. Gemba gives a deep, thorough, and effective understanding of the manufacturing process and problems by observation and discussions with shop floor employees.